Welcome to the farm, kids! Let's meet 10 friendly farm animals and learn the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, it's a big, gentle cow. Moo, moo. Cows say moo. Can you moo like a cow? Moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here comes a fluffy sheep. Baa, baa. Sheep say baa. Say it with me. Baa, baa. Oh, oh. Who's that in the mud? It's a pig. Oink, oink. Pigs love to say oink, oink. Try it too. Here's a clucky little chicken. Cluck, cluck. Chickens say cluck, cluck. Wow, a strong and speedy horse? Neigh! Horses love to neigh. Can you neigh like a horse? Quack, quack, a duck is here. Quack, quack. Ducks say quack. Let's all quack together. Meet the playful goat. Meh, meh. Goat say meh, meh. Good morning, rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's how a rooster says hello in the morning. Here's the farmer's best friend, the dog. Woof, woof. Dogs say woof or bark, bark. Or look at the sleepy cat. Meow, meow. Cats say meow when they want love. Meow.